recorded it on my phone.
Wait till you're wearing it later. It looks incredible. Trust me on this. Beautiful. And you have a more streamlined design. Focus more on the elements themselves. You got the metal and the wood with a nice balance to them. Beautiful work. All three same kits, all three totally different sabers. I love that. It's the most amazing thing to me.
But you wear belts, so
We're just gonna wait for this side of the and then we get to activate, which is my personal favorite part. Brandon, what's your favorite part?
It's got weight to it. Like,
Good work. The whole group is like going to finish about the same time. You guys did good. Solid work. Good job, guys. Everyone's right on the same page. I like this. Excellent work. How did your build go? Yeah, nobody found it too difficult, right? It's pretty intuitive for the most part. You'll see as you go on to do your own upgrades. Well then, we've done it. We've all completed our builds. Nothing unexpected or traumatic has taken place, right? Because why would it? That wasn't the dangerous part. This, however, is our dangerous part. So builders, please take one big step back away from your stations. Just for a moment, no worries. Your sabers are just fine. Remember I mentioned earlier when we selected our crystals how they hadn't quite been stabilized for activation yet. This is what the gatherers are doing. They're ensuring that everything is in the right order, everything's facing the right way, so we don't end up with any haircuts like Kembe's. Excellent work. Now before we move on, I do have one very important what's it?
With many bugs you began. With the heart of the saber they are joined, much more they will become. It's time.
It's Master Yoda! He's right. It is indeed time. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. In just a moment, Builders, I will ask everyone to step forward. We'll all place our hands on our hilts and together on my signal we can activate. Builders, is everyone ready? Let's do this. Everyone step forward. And yes, please, go ahead. Place your hands on your hilts. I'll make sure we have everyone together. Activate! Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi have saved the
By the way, I'm sorry.
And like them too, you have the power to change the galaxy. Remember, Builders, it only takes a spark. Builders, please, deactivate your lightsabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but let your way it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you. Thank you, Master Yoda. Well, Builders, you all hold in your hands remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. In just a moment, I will dismiss you all individually to receive your very own saber shield and to celebrate your accomplishment. This does mean, however, that your journey is just beginning. Time to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are all as extraordinary and as unique as the lightsabers you built here today. So, maybe next time we'll be telling your story. Raise your sabers, Builders, and activate. Alright, so my first group are all set. Alright.
you can add more, like a step up.
To my next group, everything looks good? Sounds good?
Andrew.